What it do? What's up, YouTube? It's your girl DeSiree, and I'm back on the cam with another video. As you can see by the title, today I'm finally giving y'all what only a couple y'all asked for, but hey, you asked for it, so here it goes. Okay, it's a headband wig that I got from Amazon because I just love Amazon. Okay, right now under my head is crazy because tomorrow is my wash day, and I've been laying in the bed all day editing videos, so turn your post notification and stay tuned. But look at my head. Ooh. I don't know if I'm ready. Okay, so I'm gonna just show y'all the wig first. So it comes in a bag like this. It says Ysdidwigs 100% human hair, and the wig came in this, in a stocking cap or something. I can't remember. I've been having this wig for 3 weeks now, I believe, and I'm gonna put the price of the wig right here for you guys. If I don't seem enthusiastic about this video, I really am, but I went to the dentist today and my tooth is hurting now, so yeah, but the video's still coming. The grind don't stop. Okay, so here's the wig, y'all. Looking at how I missed because I just had it on the wig stand after I took it off like 2 days ago, and I haven't worn it since, I don't believe. So it's a straight wig, but I put it in a ponytail so it can have this little curls because I don't really like it straight. I don't like a straight look on me, but we're gonna comb it out real quick. So I want to show you guys. Let me comb it out, then I'm gonna show it to you guys. Hold on. Okay, so it's combed out. It says 100% human hair on Amazon and on the bag, but it is super shiny, and nobody wear hair is this shiny. Well, it hasn't been combed in 2 days, so this is normal shedding from real hair if you comb it. So, but it would be great if there was no shedding. But for my first wig, because this is my first wig, I normally just either do sew ends or quick wigs. So for this to be my first wig, wasn't that bad. It's a 16-inch 1B headband wig from Amazon. I don't remember how much it was. It was either $50 or $60. Wasn't above $100 for sure. But let's go ahead and get into this video. So the wig came in a bag. It came with a wig cap. This is the exact wig cap because I already had my own wig cap that I liked, the brown, but I messed it up tearing it. So they gave you a wig cap, and they gave you 2 headbands of their choice, just random choices. And I didn't really like these headbands, so I haven't actually wore them, but I'm gonna still show you guys how it looks with these on. I went and bought me some more headbands. So I got me brown, black, and then a black with the scrunchy red. Okay, and I'm gonna show you guys how I put it on and all of that. It is soft, it's shiny. When I got it, it didn't stink, but I did wash it in conditioner just for the smell. Honestly, the texture really didn't change because it was a straight wig. So yeah, I put it in a ponytail just to get these crinkles or whatever. But so yes, it comes with the 2 headbands for free. Let me show you the inside of the wig. So the inside of the wig, all the headband wigs that I've seen on YouTube and everything is attached to a black headband, and it has 3 combs in the front, one right here, one right here, right here, and then it has one in the back where the nape of your head is, and it has adjustable straps on both sides. Oh, disclaimer, my wash day is tomorrow. So I was like, I'm gonna do this video today because I'm gonna add all this product in my hair and wash it out tomorrow. Normally when I do this, I add oil, but I'm not adding oil today because I'm gonna wash it out, and my oil is $8 a bottle for like 8 ounces, so we can't be wasting it. Okay, now we're gonna put so now I'm about to put the lovely 16-inch 1B straight Ysdidwigs headband wig on. So I like to put it in a ponytail before I put it on because it's so much easier to put on, because when you're trying to attach this at the back, all the hair be in the way. So see, then I put it on my head. I take this apart, get the 3 combs in the front. I normally don't put the comb in the back because I don't like it, just too much. So I just do the 3 front combs in the front, and I attach this in the back. So let me go ahead, attach one right here. One in the middle. And one on the side. And then I take this down. I don't like, it's supposed to be 150 density, but it doesn't feel like it to me. So I normally, if I'm going to wear it down, I kind of fluff it up, kind of make it look a little wild. And then I'll just flip one of these over like this and just finger comb it. Not like that, baby. I look crazy. Let's be realistic here. I'll flip it over. And I'll wear it like this. And I'll wear it like this. And I'm quick to put a hat on with this wig, y'all, and just have it flowing in the back. I don't know where my hat is, my favorite hat, but I'm quick to put a beanie on or anything with this wig and just go. And just go. The shedding is not a lot. It's really a little bit. Human hair, I didn't do the burn test, but I doubt it. I feel like it's a mixture. So I'll wear it like this. Thank you for me. But this is how y'all normally see me with it on. This is just a quick ponytail that I throw on. Now I'm gonna show you. These are 2 headbands that they gave me. I'm gonna show you. Honestly, I think they kid headbands, but maybe my head just big. So this is probably how I would wear it. This is actually kind of cute. The little headband a little tight, but this is cute. Let's see, with it down. For some reason, I just don't like straight hair on me no more. Like when I was a kid, I used to love it. Now it's just like, I like a little curl, a little Some. I don't know. Let's see. These are the ones that I bought. So I'm gonna take this one off and show you what these are. So I bought a black one like this. The black one doesn't really make it look any different. Doesn't look bad. Okay. I ain't gonna be comb it out. We're just gonna do a little quick ponytail. And this is really tight fit look. Like, right. Let's try this. Not bad. So you get the gist. And I wore this one before in the video. And then brown. It's a nice wig. It's okay. And I left a piece out. We gonna put that in the back. We just gonna put that in the back. I'm gonna put my checkerboard, my cheetah print, or whatever, it be back on. I look crazy. Okay, but I rate the wig for the past 2 weeks that I've had it. It's done me great justice for good videos, of course, running to the store, all that type of thing. I give this wig a good 7 out of 10 for the price because it was not over $100. The length is actually 16 inches. You can flat iron it. I did flat iron it once and it did not shed on anything. I washed it. I co-washed it, which is washing it with just conditioner, and it's still holding up. They say you can last up to a year with good management, and for less than $100 up to a year, you're getting your money's worth. Especially if you're gonna use this for like a work wig or a workout wig, and if you're doing that like at least 5 times a week, you're getting your money's worth. This is a great wig, especially for beginners, and since this was my first wig, now I kind of, now I can handle with 20 inch, a 24 inch, a 26 inch. Okay. If y'all want me to review more wigs, tell me from where in the comments and what type of wigs. I would love to do no lace wigs because your girl love to watch the videos, but it takes time and I ain't got all that. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I will be back with more videos, so stay tuned. Thank you guys. We are at 2.6. we're on our way to 10K for my birthday. So go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Hope y'all ready for Vlogmas, because I sure am.